Grover. Mama's gonna buy you a dog named Grover. And if that dog named Grover won't bark,